Hello to all my friends who participate in Bling on Pourade, and special greetings to all of you who follow us. Believe me, you mean a lot to us. Wonderful artists have already lined up in front of me. If you miss them, take a look at them. Right behind me, watch at the others, and others artists will line up tomorrow and Tuesday. You have all the links in the description below. Be with us, you will enjoy. We will be very happy if you like and comment, and if you haven't already, sing up for our channels. Thank you. Let me introduce myself. I'm Janja from Slovenia. My life in color started out of boredom during the lockdown due to COVID. Until then, I didn't even know the artist was inside me. But I have to apologize to you for my poor English. I speak with a strange accent, I know, and writing in English is a nightmare for me. Sometimes Google helps me, but he always often translates on his own, like now. That is why, dear friends, I often cannot take part in conversation with you at premieres. You are too fast for me and for Google. As you can see, something is already being created. I had a picture in my head for a while. Now I hope I succeed. If not, I will try a second time. Now, look at my eye dressed in Mardi Gras. See then. After a week of drying, my eye is done. And if I turn off the light, watch now, now. It glows in the dark. I need professional camera to show you the real effect, but it's good. Thank you for being with me, and special thanks to Cynthia Porter, who is the boss of this parade. Thank you, Cindy, love you. Take a look at Tiffany in a few minutes. She's a very good artist and very fun. Ciao! See you and hear you in the next video. Ciao! Thank you!